I'd just done some mowing and I had the compressor on to clean the mower's air filter. Suddenly there was a loud explosion and a rush of air and something hit me in the back of the head. It took me a few seconds to realise what had happened, but then I could see that the water filter had exploded. I cut the air off and turned the compressor off and went looking for all the parts. These filters are rated at 145 psi and my compressor cuts out at 110 psi, and it was still running when the filter exploded, so it was well under the rated capacity of the filter. I don't think I found all the parts, and it was really fortunate that I had my back to the compressor with a piece of that plastic hitting me in the head. If it hit me in the face, it could have been really bad. So I replaced the filter with a spare and we're all good again.